Hi guys, maybe you had this what if as well. What if I clone the ArcoNet, for example? Need to clone something. What if I clone GitHub? Alright, ArcoNet Pro, that's enough. What if I go here, find myself a repository, find myself the ArcoNet ISO, git clone this thing like that, go to my desktop to play around with git clone that thing. What if I go in here and I say in installation scripts, create me a file, control find xfce. What if I go inside the Arch ISO in the packages, and rather than installing xfce, that's it, I install Gnome, and why not? Why the hell not? Gnome extras, all of it, right? All of those packages. It's a group package. It's a lot. Save. What if I use the ArcoNet code, tell them not to include xfce4 goodies. Basically, it's the same thing we do on Carly. So ArcoLinuxISO.com, Carly, right? What if I do this? And then tell, of course, in the 40 that it's not xfce that's going to be there. It's going to be GNOME, right? Save, find. That's it. There's no more mention of xfce anywhere. What happens? Right? Is a good what if, right? What happens if I build an ISO? Let's wait for that. And now the password. And you sit back. And then you see GNOME extras. Very simple. Some of you already know. -s GNOME extra. If a package does not exist, then it says target not found. Basically, let's go for Sublime Text again. Subla, right? Subla. And in here we have the package. Where are you? Control find them. Extra. Without an S. Save. Back to here. Gone. Arrow up, do it again. So anything that's not built, anything that's not on our repo, not on Arch repo, sorry, but you can't add it, right? You need to build it if it's coming from AOR. It has to be on a repository. In this case, I mistyped. And where do you find these things? Arch Wiki. I suppose we still have something open. Arch Wiki GNOME. And it exactly says what you need to do. It says GNOME, GNOME Extra. That's what you need to install. You want to know what we're going to install? Quite a bit. We're going to go and eat some cheese here. The exerciser. All right. The only thing, let me say what I would need. I'd like to have, if I see this, I only want the dconf editor. File roller, sure. Glade if you want to program something, if you want to create an application like AAG, the G stands for Glade. If VirtualBox is not your thing, then GNOME boxes, why not? You're a chess player, okay, add it. I'm not. I used to be, not anymore. And that's it. Right? All the rest, games and poker style dice game and all the rest I don't need. but we're gonna do it. We're gonna put it on the right, so basically it's gonna go on your system. Your future system will contain all those packages. If you don't want that, go back in here and say never mind, right? Save, build again. But let's first see what happens to it. Pausing. All right, it's time to experiment, right? You have something in a folder, and we put this one here. Choose a disk file. It's gonna be in the ArcoNet out in this folder. Always check the date and the hour so we're exactly sure that is the one we've just created. We start up from the CD-ROM. Ooh, right. What will we get? We said throw out all the Lego blocks from xfce and give me all the Lego blocks of GNOME. How easy is Arch? It gets a little bit more complex if you want BSPWM, if you want awesome Xmonad, ChatWM, DWM, right? Herbst, LoofWM, Qtile. The tiling window managers is just not a word. It's a bunch of things because it basically tiles the window. That's it, right? All the rest you have to think about. In a desktop manager, yeah, sudo pacman -s plasma, done, right? Sudo pacman -s mate, done. So what will we get? Basically, how easy is it, guys, to install GNOME? To create your own ArcoLinux Gnome with ArcoNet. You need to log in, all right? Wayland, forget Wayland on virtual machines. GNOME Classic on Xorg. I suppose this would be the best choice, I think. GNOME on Xorg. The live user doesn't have anything, so enter. Just click here and enter. It's always empty. It always has been empty the last 8 years. It thinks it would go in xfce, but no, you've removed xfce, so it's not gonna auto log in. But does it matter? No. You get a beautiful SDDM, and then you log in. As you can see, we're logging in, right? Do you want to take the tour? Do it if you want to. And we have an option. The easy installation, as we've made it. I have to think, right? Here's the information. If we go for ArcoNet Easy, we'll get GNOME, right? Whatever is now on the compressed image, the thing we're looking at, this, right? Anything that's here is going to be on the future system. You see all the games as well. Eh? That was the Git Chess was there, Git is there, Klotsky, they're all there, right? That's the GNOME extras. If I install the easy, what you see is what you get. You get GNOME and all the apps. If I choose advanced, what is in one of the lines, it says we remove xfce. Guess what? xfce is not there, nor is xfce for goodies. So basically, nothing gets removed. So what do we get? GNOME. So if I go for advanced installation, it will do what it's supposed to do. Give me all my choices. Next, I will have SDDM. I will have GNOME, but I could combine it, for example, with Awesome. Just showing, right? Choose any of the applications. There are lots of applications. Click, click, click. And then later on, here is on Real Metal Machine, I would select that one as well. But here I'll just go for Belgian. Next. Erase the disk or whatever, everything gone. Next. And see if that works. The reasoning is, if you go for advanced, we boot up with xfce, remove it, and then you choose your own desktop, being in GNOME, so xfce4 gets removed and GNOME gets installed. What do we do here at this moment in time here, not now, not yet, here, right? At this point, what you see is what you get. This will be installed. Any of these guys, that's when we move a bit and a byte and a folder and a file to the future system. And somewhere here in the middle, we say remove xfce4. Duh, it's not there. It's not going to be removed. So nothing is removed and everything stays the same. And you add stuff like this awesome thing and some apps and stuff. Let's wait till this finishes. It's time to reboot again. And hopefully we have GNOME. Remember VirtualBox, right? Watch out. Make sure you select something that works. Ooh, look at that. Let's go to awesome first. Present and accounted for, right? Update. Nothing to do. Log out. Let's go to GNOME. How hard was this, guys? Let's take a look at the classic one, the older one. Maybe you like this as well. This look. You can hover over it. Still nice. You even have a crane. Where is it? Here. A little crane here. Builder. Places. Browse network. Documents. Let's go to home. Et voila. We're in. It even has a nice, well, setting, right? I did not do anything. Not really. So it's now up to you to theme it, tweak it, and the way you see fit. But yeah, actually looks good. Out of the box. Power off. There you go. A video of 12 minutes to create your own ArcoNet Gnome. What if I want an ArcoNet budgie? Go ahead. ArcoNet. Plasma exists already. Cinnamon. Why not create an ArcoNet Cinnamon just for you? Just a few things to replace. Done. Budgie, Cinnamon. GNOME we have, Plasma we have, xfce we have. I guess the most important guys are there, right? Or did I forget Mate? Anyway, what ifs are great. The tools are there. Choose what you want, build it yourself, burn it on a USB and install it. Cheers.